Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Stripe account. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then type Stripe, and you should see this option right here. All you have to do is tap on sign in. Now since you don't have an account and you're about to create an account right here, you have to scroll down and then tap on create account, tap this one. Now, Stripe will just ask you a few information, such as your email address, full name, and then also your country. So once you're done, then all you have to do is to confirm and create an account. And then what you're going to do here is you just have to simply answer some questions, like basic questions, but actually you can skip this part. But as a beginner or as a new user on Stripe, it's better to answer the following question here. For a second, that was optional. Continue. And then it will ask you like, how do you want to start? So you can just basically select whatever you want here. And then after that, proceed. Now, Stripe will ask you again, how do you want to start? And then all you have to do is to answer the following, select whatever you want, and then after that tap on get started, and it will take you directly to your dashboard. Here, this is your Stripe dashboard, and basically these are the features and options above. And if you go to the left side, you should see here home, balances, transaction, customers, so you can see it right here. Also below you can see product catalog. If you want to see your payments, or if you want to set up your payments and see your billing, then you have to scroll down to this part right here. You can also create payment link for easier transaction. So basically, this is how you create a Stripe account. All you have to do is to have your email address, a strong password, and then that's it. You can now set up or create your Stripe account, and you can have your transaction with your client, your customer, or even your friend. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.